What's up, everybody in YouTube land? It's Mickey with Mickey's RC. And in today's video, we're going to be comparing the stock Traxxas MAXX tires to the Proline LP 3.8 inch trenchers and how well they perform. And it's super windy out here, so I'm probably going to be doing a voiceover over the rest of this video. But let's just go ahead and get right on into it. Okay, so here's a close-up of the stock Traxxas MAXX tires. You can see they are way too soft and way too pliable, which causes the severe traction rolling, flipping everyone is complaining about. By switching to LP trenchers, we get better performance across the board thanks to their harder compound, increased width, and less offset. The LP trenchers add about 10 millimeters of width to each side of the truck, whereas the WideMAXX kit and stock tires adds only 20 millimeters to each side. So by simply adding LP trenchers to your stock MAXX, you're getting a nice middle ground in terms of stability and a major improvement in tire performance. Since the LP trencher is a bit taller, you will have to drop your pinion a tooth or two to keep your temps down. Since I'm only going to be driving my truck off-road, the LP trenchers are going to be a perfect fit without the need to run a WideMAXX kit. Here, side by side, you can see why the LP trenchers perform so much better than the stock MAXX tires. While a WideMAXX kit will only mask the problem that the stock tires introduce, the WideMAXX kit with LP trenchers will set you up with e-Revo-like stability if that's what you're after. If you think you have a solid suspension tire setup, go ahead and share it down in the comments and why you went with that particular setup. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time, see ya.